Welcome to CaseDriver. In this video, we're going to see how we can save hundreds of dollars and hundreds of hours by letting CaseDriver automatically generate our documents for us. Document assembly can be very expensive and time consuming. We're going to see how that's taken care of. Looking at our dashboard, we can see that there's a task in our 10-day outlook that needs to be performed. When we open that up, we can see that this particular case needs to have on our task tab this done, which is to review the claims with the client and then file a declaration of claims review announcing that that review was performed. To do this, we could go to our prior case that we filed one for perhaps last week, and we can replace the name of the client, the case number, the judge, and pertinent dates with the information about the current case. Doing this can cost us a lot of money. The average paralegal in a bankruptcy practice is making perhaps $45,000 per year. When it takes on the average 20 minutes to 30 minutes to generate a document like this, plus the certificate of service that goes with it, we will have spent about $10 for this document. Other options to get this document created would be to go to online services like FormStack, HotDocs, or ExpressDocs. Each one of these is a monthly subscription service. Filing 10 to 15 cases per month for a bankruptcy firm, the cost of using these services for the average number of pleadings you need to generate can exceed $500 per month. Now we're going to watch how we're going to assemble this document and the certificate of service for free using CaseDriver. Unlike those other shells that you just saw, FormStack, HotDocs, and ExpressDocs, these require the entry of an enormous amount of data so that those tools know what jurisdiction, judge, case number, claims deadlines to enter into the form. CaseDriver already has all that information in there. Let's click on the Create Docs tab. We see here we got the Declaration of Claims Review. And then we see the CaseDriver document generator open up. It's going to ask two questions about this particular document. Easy questions. What date did we review the claims with the client? And what date are we going to file this declaration? Following these instructions, we hit the Submit button. We right-click in the rendered data, and we'll see a PDF preview created of a document that we can immediately file with the court. Take a look closely at your screen. Item number 1 inserted the non-governmental creditors claims deadline, and then the deadline for the governmental creditors. CaseDriver knows these dates, enters it automatically for us. Judge, chapter, case number, client's name, our jurisdiction, everything is automatically entered. What we end up with is a mistake-free document that is immediately ready to file. In this instance, we need to also do a certificate of service to illustrate this function. We'll hit the date of service as our first question. That's going to be this date right here. We're going to file the Declaration of Claims Review. Special notice creditors are available for insert in our certificate of service form. In this instance, we don't need to put any in, but I'm going to do it just to give you the example of how that function is performed. We hit the Submit button, and there's our document rendered into PDF and ready to file with the court. Let's go look at a customized form that CaseDriver can perform for us. This one's a little bit more intense. We're going to file what's called a motion to extend the automatic stay. Classic questions that we need to answer in this motion are: when was the prior case filed? That data is entered right here, that chapter, the case number. We select the time of our hearing, we select the date of the hearing, and the date that we're serving this particular motion. Right here, you're going to see where we enter questions or answer questions about the circumstances of the prior case and how those circumstances have changed so that we can overcome the presumption of abuse and get our automatic stay extended. When we hit Submit, we're going to see a document similar to this one right here. This one was filed in Brooklyn. The hearing was conducted not too long ago, and the court granted the extension of the automatic stay in that case. Thank you for watching.